And welcome back, Screamers. So in the last video I explained some of the problems we can fall into with how to approach turning on the false vocal folds and how we should be doing it. In this video I'll be showing you some of the ways. There are a lot of ways to turn on the false vocal folds. But yes, I will try to dig into some of the ways that I think is fairly easy. And if this is hard for you, please consider getting a voice lesson or 2 or 3 or 4 or how long it takes for you to learn to do this in a comfortable way where you can do it without thinking too much about it. Okay, great. So one of the ways that I think can be really smart and a safe approach is that you first figure out how much effort do you need for you to hum. Okay, the reason for this is that you are still using your true vocal folds, your plica vocalis. You're still using this while you are using your false vocal folds. So what I want you to do is hum, and I want you to take your hands first gently, like no effort, put them at your solar plexus. Okay, from here I want you to figure out how much do you need to squeeze for it to become a nice hum. Okay, so we just go something like, so first nothing, just air. Oh, okay, so something around there. That's the amount I needed to squeeze my hands together. I'll try again. Okay, so when we know how much that is, now think of gently adding more and more. Don't try to overdo it. Don't go from first gear to 8th gear. No, I want you to just very gently 1-2% at a time, as gentle as possible. Okay, so we again go from a hum, from a comfortable position. Okay, that is one approach. Okay, if possible, try not to do it at a higher pitch. Try to do it in what people nowadays like to call chest voice. So kind of around speaking range. Okay, a little bit lower is even better if you like. So somewhere around here I would like you to gently try to approach it with a hum, so you know you have your true vocal folds activated, and then gently add the false vocal folds on top where they are located. So that's method 1, and next video I'll go into method number 2. See you there.